What do Amazon, Starbucks, and Home Depot all have in common? They've all doubled down on their QR code marketing in the last year. Why? Because they understand the power of instant immersive experiences in the physical world, and consumer behavior is changing. Now, we've seen a lot of QR code implementations, and quite frankly, most brands are missing the mark. So, if you're thinking about using QR and you don't want to waste your money, this series is for you. We are showing you the very best in experiential QR marketing, the type of QR we get excited about scanning. I'm Karen from Tapple. Let's untap QR. We're kicking this series off with a smart, creative QR implementation in a children's book about the first visit to the moon. Author Susanna Leonard Hill and illustrator Alyssa Paganelli did an extraordinary job using QR technology to add a layer of audio immersion, bringing the story of the first lunar landing to life. We love this clear call to action.
Astronauts report it feels good. T-minus 25 seconds.
QR codes are placed on the first and last pages of this book, allowing kids to feel the anticipation of Apollo 13's launch and hear Neil Armstrong's historic first words.
It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
The author has transformed the story of Apollo 11 into something digestible for kids, and the audio clips create a perfect link between her story and our history. To see more of the best of QR and marketing, don't forget to subscribe or follow Tapple. And if you're ready to get started with experiential QR, you can get started for free at tapple.io.